Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering tools: 14 mm socket, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, 5W20 oil, new filter, gloves, jack stands. Wear gloves and eye protection before starting work on the vehicle. Park on level ground and set the parking brake before raising the car, then loosen the front lug nuts and raise the front with a jack, supporting the car on jack stands. Use 5W20 motor oil and a capacity of 7 quarts for a 2013 Ford Focus 2, 0L, and have rags handy. Start with a warm engine. Drive or idle 5 minutes, then park and turn the engine off. Warm oil drains faster. Warm engine for 5 minutes, then turn off and remove the oil filler cap to equalize pressure. Position the drain pan, loosen the drain plug with the correct socket, then remove the plug and drain oil until flow slows. Loosen and remove the old oil filter. Check the old gasket came off. Replace the oil filter with a new one, and coat the gasket with fresh oil before install. After the oil and filter are installed, hand thread the drain plug and snug it. Tighten the drain plug to 25 ft-pounds using a torque wrench where possible. Reinstall the oil filter, lower the car from jack stands, then refill the engine with 7 quarts of 5W20 motor oil using a funnel. Reinstall the filler cap, wait 1 minute, then check the dipstick and top to the correct level. Run the engine for about 3 minutes and recheck for leaks and oil level. Then dispose of used oil responsibly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.